my name is Annette Emampo. I'll be presenting on chapter 3.2, which is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is also called the plasma membrane, and it is a biological membrane separating the interior part of the cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane is flexible and allows a unicellular organism to move. It is made up of components such as the phospholipid, the protein, carbohydrate, and cholesterol. To begin with the first component, we have the phospholipid. The phospholipid is amphipathic and it consists of two nonpolar hydrophobic tails, which is made up of two strings of hydrogen and carbon. One charged polar hydrophilic head that bears a phosphate group. Phospholipid has two fatty acid chains and glycerol molecule and a phosphate group. Its function is that it forms boundary to isolate cell content from environment. It restricts passage of hydrophilic substances across the membrane. Move to the next one is the cholesterol. Cholesterol is a stereolipid, very important component of the cell membrane, and it is made up of four rings of hydrogen and carbon. It modulates the fluidity and movement of cell's membrane components. It strengthens the membrane by preventing some small molecules from crossing it, and they are found among hydrophobic tails in lipid layer. Also, when cholesterol molecules are more, the fluidity of membrane is less and vice versa. Its function is that it increases bilayer strength and flexibility, and also reduces membrane fluidity and reduces permeability to water-soluble substance. Go to the next one, which is the protein. Protein is the major component of cell membrane and about 50% weight in cell membrane. It functions as enzyme to speed up chemical reaction. It acts as receptors for specific molecules, and it transforms materials across cell membrane. We have two types of proteins, which is the integral protein, which incorporated with bilayer and can be extracted only by using detergent to disrupt lipids, and the second one is the peripheral protein. It exhibits a looser association with one if the two membrane surfaces and can be easily extracted from cell membrane by using salt solution. And its function is that it transports proteins, the receptor protein, and recognition protein. We have carbohydrate, and carbohydrate is found attached to the protein or lipid, also found on outside of cell membrane, and when attached to protein they are called glycoproteins, and when they are attached to lipid they are called glycolipids. So we have the functions of cell membrane. It maintains the shape of a cell. It presents receptors on the surface of cell membrane. It helps in the exocytosis and endocytosis. It serves as a base of attachment for the cytoskeleton. It protects the integrity of the interior of the cell, and it surrounds the cytoplasm of a cell. And here is my citation page. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it.